So hi folks, this time another tutorial about Linuxcnc. I'm on a real machine, as you see from the screen size here. I'm going to show you how to make quick G code without a CAD CAM system. I added here the Hobby-CNC GUI features or add-on, and it also has a TTL true type tracer, and we can make letters without using a CAM system. The letter size is here. Let's go for 0.4, create, finalize. Here in this feature you're gonna set all the parametrics, the values, x of, and the sizes and the feeds. And in the main TTL you select the text you want to mill and the font. Let's say here we're going for a test. Let's make it big, get another font. I will use this one. Now I get here TTL1, it says test, and let's go for size 02. No, there we go, 02. Okay, feature, and there we are. If you just want to mill it outside, you can hide the inside lines and you are done with this. So keep in mind, the inside lines are always there. They are not milled if you hide it or show it. So how we do this? There's another thing, like here let's create a symbol star or a gosper with two edges. That there are mathematical arrangements. iHex, you have an arc to mill around for a clamp or so. You have pocket milling, that makes you a normal pocket, and a quad system that just puts in and out bounds. So where does this all come from? First I said you need this is the INE of the file. I will show you a little later, some seconds. First you need, if you don't have NGC GUI inside, sample config, simulation, access, and down there is NGC GUI. Take the first one or the access. It will bring in all the files you need to get a good G code or to get all the system running. Now close it down once more. Now in the ngcgui.ini, the file I requested you, are in display sections here, all the stuff inside. I got here millimeter, and these are the subroutines for making all the stuff, and here's true type tracer, also on millimeter based. You can copy this inside your standard machine and it will find all system. If you got subroute paths here, you need this to put it inside, and then it's okay. So the true type tracer is not standard loaded on Linuxcnc. I here have Synaptic, it's the standard packet manager here from Software Center, and I got true type tracer 4.12 inside. It comes with the normal machine package and will show up if you get Linuxcnc here in the search folder. You can start Synaptic or the Software Center. Both will get you to the system. fncrave is a DXF router, but you have DXF to G code. I showed you in another tutorial. Just look at it. there's DXF2G code that makes you the best part. So that's it for this time. Hope I could help you. Show you once more the machine. So you see it's gonna work. Here, come up, and here's true type. I got LCNC inside. No, just hit it. LCNC, you can play around here with the entries. I go for that one. I use the standard bolt and make NGC GUI and get it here, let's say 03. Oh, I think that's too large. There we go. Great, and have it inside. Here, get the bound, only the bounds, and you are done. You see some seconds and it's working. See you next time. If you need help, connect us on IRC, it's Internet Relay Chat, via Mozilla Firefox add-on. Chatzilla is the add-on called. It's a Russian add-on, but it works also in English. And then join the server free node and /join space Linuxcnc, and you will be on, and 140 people will help you. So see you next time.